wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking wine by an open fire, make love the fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or I wanna see it all, find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope y'all are doing well. I hope you're keeping safe. I am doing absolutely fine. It is a bit early. The vlog starts at 7 a.m. exactly 7 a.m. I am up very early. I woke up at about 5 or 6, yeah, because today's vlog is a bit emotional for me, and it is a very special vlog. So if you guys want to see what the vlog is all about, please stick around. So what I'll be doing, I'm taking my mom for a holiday. Yay, for a holiday. I have been waiting for this day for such a long time, you guys. I can't even explain. And I was messed up a little bit by the global pandemic, because this holiday was supposed to be her surprise present for Mother's Day. That was early this year in May, but everything was shut. We were in total lockdown in Kenya, so I was not able to do it. It was really difficult to keep this a secret from everybody, from the rest of my family, apart from my sisters. From May until now, whenever I see my mom, I want to tell her, you know what, we are going on holiday, but then I think it has to be a surprise, so I better keep quiet. And it's been so many months, so you can imagine how long I've had to wait. But finally the day is here and I am ready. My mom does not know where we are going. I told my two sisters, Pesh and Shiko, to know what they will do with mom so that she can accept to go with them, and I will meet them at the airport. Also, the reason why this vlog is very important to me, guys, and emotional, is because I have never gone on holiday with my mom, just the both of us, just the two of us, me and my mom. Never, ever. I am the firstborn and I have two sisters, Pesh and Shiko. You guys have met them on this channel already. They are not guests. And when I was growing up, my mom was busy making sure that we eat, we go to school, we have shelter, we have clothes. So holidays were not something that we used to enjoy when we were kids. And so my mom has spent a lot of time just making sure that we were okay and we got what we wanted. But now Shiko is our last born and she finished Form 4 last year, so we have no child, and we think it is time for her to enjoy life, to go out there and see what life has to offer, and just experience different things in life that she never got to experience when we were little and needed to be taken care of. It is a dream come true for me, because I have been saving for this trip, and I prayed to God that when I get money, one day I will get money and I will be able to do these things for my mom, because I've seen her struggle. So that is what the vlog is about today. I hope that you guys enjoy this vlog as much as I will enjoy the trip and giving you this content. Let's do this together. Let's surprise my mom together. And if you love this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Before I get late, I'm just going to head out, go to the airport, and I'll catch up with you guys when I am in the airport. Also, you guys, this is special for you because all of you have never met my mom. So today you get to see my mom. Yay! So all of you who say that I have bleached my skin, I have done skin lightening, wait until you see my mom. Then you will know where I got this color. Okay guys, let's go to the airport. I'm already at Wilson Airport and oh my god, it's raining horribly. My sisters just told me that they have arrived. They brought my mom, so let's go and meet them.
Lonesome trip
at the airport, Skyward. This is Pesh, this is Tash, my cousin, and this is Shko, and this is Mom, and this is our suitcases here, ready to go.
And it feels so right, but it's over now. Time keeps slipping with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason.
Unafikiria tunaenda wapi? We are going on holiday. We're going on holiday. We have already checked in. We found this small cave inside Skyward, and we're just gonna have some breakfast and fill in a form that have been given to fill as we wait for the plane to be ready for takeoff. Here's our breakfast. I'm having some juice. My mom is having toast, some tomatoes, and egg, well done, and tea. So I've been given this form to fill, just travel information, boarding pass.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise.
We are in Diani. Touchdown. This is Ukunda airport. We have just landed. It's not a very big airport, but it's okay. So we are now going to the hotel. We hope somebody is waiting to pick us up. How was your flight? How was your flight?
It was great.
It was great. Okay guys, we are now going to the hotel. It's very noisy. Here is our van. Thank you. We have already arrived at our hotel. It took us 15 minutes from the airstrip to here. I just want to give you a quick room tour of the room Mom and I are staying. But first, I'll show you how it looks like outside. I got us a room that is facing the ocean. Very beautiful view. And this is how the rooms look like outside. And we have the ocean right in front of us. So before we mess up our beautiful room, I'm just gonna go and show you a quick room tour of where me and Mom are going to be staying for a couple of days as we enjoy our holiday here. Come with me. Quick tour of our room. So we start here. This is the main door. Oh, what's happening here? Here, outside. There are other rooms here, so many, but this one is ours. Nifungulie, nimejifungia nje. Sijui hata guy, kume lazima uende na key nje. Oh my god, I locked myself outside.
Get me every time, one phone call away, and you're ready to be mine. We twist the truth to justify, but baby, two wrongs doesn't make it right. I'll be yours till the morning light, right here in the moment we're breathing life. Both of us lost in this ugly light. Right here, all that matters is you and I. So hold on and let's save this night. Lovers to fight for the joy of making up. We both escape, trying to feel safe. Favorite mistake playing on repeat. But baby, let's feel every heartbeat. I'll be yours till the morning light. Right here in the moment we're breathing life. Both of us lost in this ugly lie. Right here, all that matters is you and I. So darling, hold on and let's save this night. Let's save this night. Let's save this night. Favorite mistake